Welcome to Houston, Texas. Fried chicken. We're going to Terminal A. Got a flight to catch. We're going to Nashville, Tennessee. Let's check this video monitor here. It's going to be hard to see. It's right down here at the bottom. That first one, that 622 A2 boarding, that's the one I was originally supposed to be on. But because this flight was so late getting here and all that, they put me on the other one just to be safe. So we're, oh, it says B80. I think I looked at this. B80, it's on time. It's that second one. So, all right, let's go to B80. Had a lot of food here. So we're gonna go this way. This is really hopping. A lot of traffic to either get out or get in. I don't know what that is. It does not look friendly. Okay, so we get to take the Skyway. See it over here? The Skyway ABD. There we go.
To arrive at Terminal C. En plena llegada a la Terminal C.
It's not a true loop, but it does go, like you can go that way and then hop another one and come back the other way. It's not like DIA except for not underground. So I just checked the app and it's saying now this flight is delayed by 50 minutes. You see that? I need to get a boarding pass because I don't have a boarding pass for this next flight. Sunglass place is closed. Oh boy, this is a long walk. All these places are closed. She's comfy. That's great. I followed all the signs to the customer service, and that's what you get. Need help? Scan the QR code. Talk to somebody live. Like, they got rid of their customer service here. This is the B terminal here in Houston, and yeah, no help. And I don't have a boarding pass. The app won't give me one. So it said that my flight was delayed. It said, do you want to choose another flight? So I said, sure, let's look for more flights. And literally, it says one result. There are no results. So we're just gonna say keep current because I think it is literally the last. See, this is what I did. I said, view other flights for Houston. We'll do it again. And it will come back literally showing 1 of 0 flights. It literally makes no sense. I guess it's this current itinerary is what it's thinking. So anyways, I'm gonna keep the current one, continue. Hopefully it'll let me print out my boarding pass because that's really what I need. Continue. Accept. Yep. That's not right. Hey, I did it. Sweet. That's how your packages get so fast to you. And you order them on Amazon. That guy right there. Probably like 1,000 more planes like him. Alright, so they're finally boarding our flight. It is 9:49. This is the flight that I got first class on. Yeah, so here we go. Pretty certain this is a Embraer plane. Oh, hey Mason, hey kid. Getting on the plane. See the moon. Just got off the plane. And normally you would hear music here because there's always like some sort of musical artist, whatever, playing like anywhere in here. I think there's a stage somewhere over here. I don't know, but there's not gonna be anything tonight. This is all, it's all closed. It's midnight right now, so they're actually doing construction right now. And see, these signs are very confusing, but hotel shuttles should be straight ahead. Here, I'll let you see what's going on over there. I didn't know there would be people there. You can't see them through this stuff. So just like I thought, the hotel shuttle only runs till 11 p.m. It starts at 4 a.m. So I had to grab an Uber, and I'm gonna wait a couple minutes for it.
In a quarter mile, continue straight to stay on Terminal Drive using.
That's where I checked in. Let's re-walk on the front door. I'm gonna go. Oh. All right. Hey, if you did like this video, if I sound like I'm complaining, I'm sorry. I'm just tired. Need to go to bed. I gotta wake up in like 4 hours. Yeah, if you like this video, be sure to hit and subscribe to the channel. See more like videos like this in the future. I really appreciate the follows, subscribes, whatever YouTube calls it. Take flight.